Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mirror. To do that, we're going to come on the inside of the door panel. I'm going to remove this right here using my trim tool. There's a little edge I can grab onto and I can pull it away. We'll set this aside. Next, we're going to remove this plastic piece right here, doing the same thing with our trim tool. Just get underneath it and then pull it away. Set that aside as well. Now we can see our electrical connector right here. Just push that little tab and then draw this up and out. Now with the wiring out of the way, let's continue on by removing our 3 mounting nuts. There's one right here, one down below it, and then if you come along this area right here, we'll be able to access the third. Start with the hardest one to get to. Last one, let's hold the mirror, remove it. Grab onto your mirror, wiggle it, and remove it from the door. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new mirror. Let's go ahead and take the wiring, put it through the door. Just going to bring it through this hole. Now let's put the mirror mounting studs in where they belong. Grab all 3 of your mounting nuts, put them on, and snug them up. Now that all those are snugged up, let's put in our connector. Give it a nice click and a nice tug. Make sure your wire is tucked in. Now we'll start putting this back together. We're going to line up our little push clips with the holes on the door. Slide it in. Give it a little bonk. Now we'll put this in. Looking at it, you can see it has a little clip there, and then this. Just go ahead and line that up. Press that in as well. Okay, now all you have to do is test your mirror, make sure it functions properly.